Boy, I really think I should be a welder. This just came in feed roller arm for I don't know, Ponsse something or another. I'll show you. Figured I'd do a little video. She's a cracked right on through, because what they do when they factory make that is they weld it on this side and then they grind the weld off. Then they got a nice weld around that, but they grind the weld off on here. I don't know if it's not full pen or what, but I'm going to make it a full pen. You can see the cracky down in there. And I got to follow it all the way around. Yeah, it looks like it comes right back to that, whatever bushings those pieces are put in and welded, and like I said, and then they grind them off, is my thought process. So we're gonna clean it out for you folks so you can see how to repair that from one side. So I don't have to go in from the other side and try to make a fillet weld inside that other side, because I don't want to make it on that side because it's on the other side and it's hard to get at. So I'll do it all from this side. Am I making any sense? Yeah. Okay, bear with me. So as I suspected, let me get my pointer out. Get my gloves off. As I expected here, ladies and gentlemen, Sister Mary Clarence, the cracky by cracky, if you see the fillet weld, the crackage starts on this side, and if you can see, it is right here, comes around exactly on the opposite side is where the leg of the fillet weld is, the fillet weld, and it goes all the way over in here. So I took that 1/2-inch die grinder and I got that all opened up, and you can actually see where this boss, that's what we call a boss. Well, I'm a boss too, but these are welded, they're probably laser cut. This is machined, pre-machined, so it lines up. They set it in there, they weld it in. So the reason I'm doing it all from the back side is so I can just get it at 100% from the easy side. So we're going to tie this together, this boss, and all the way here, and then that crack migrated out here, even where the leg of that fillet weld is underneath. So we're going to tie up all of this together from one side. And mind you, I kept the pin in, keep everything lined up. Once I'm done, I should be able to take that. It's just a nut that holds the pin. It's a cool looking nut. And then you also see what I did here to keep this all together. First I had a tack there, but I needed to grind back through it. So I put runoff tabs. Take scraps with you out in the woods or wherever you're at. Put these scraps and you'll run your beads right off. Take your cutoff wheel, zip, clean it up, flap wheel, paint it, you're done. All from one side, easy peasy. You know, you don't have to flop this whole thing around on the table. Yeah, took me 15 minutes to die grind that all the way through. That's probably about a 3/8 plate. I don't know what that is in millimeters because I don't care. I'm in America. But now I'm going to run my welds straight on through. And I'm going to wait a little bit of time in between because we have a very thin section here to deal with. So I don't want to burn that away. So I'm just going to run a bead. Run another bead, run another bead, run another bead, run another bead. That hole I don't care about. It's a tap hole for something. And not used in this application, we'll call it. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to run some beads now. Then I'll come back and show you my beads. God darn bead. I know I got full pen on that one. Oh yeah. 777. That's hot. Okay, so that took me 9 minutes. 8:51, whatever. There you got it. We'll throw a little light on there. It did burn away, but I did not burn it to the nut thing. It burned away right on that edge right there. And the run-off tabs, I don't know how many passes I got in there. But now all I do is cut them off with the cut-off wheel, blend it, grind it with a flapper wheel, paint it. That's all there is to it. You got to be professional when you do your stuff. That's a rule. So, and then look around for other cracks on it while it's right in front of your face. Don't be afraid. Do not be scared. And see that knot, you see how it came loose? I didn't loosen it all the way. I just wanted to take it loose a little bit. We're going to let it sit in there, and there's one on the bottom. And that one too. Okay, so that everything should be parallel and stay that way. We'll let it cool naturally, and there should be nothing twisting. Even though all the weld was on the top, it technically wasn't on the top, as I'm showing you now on the top. It was from the bottom throughout. It finished on the top, or on this side, but the pole, all of the wanting to warp is going to warp down. It started down at the base, and it all the way went all the way up through. So I hope you learned something. Again, nice feed roller motor support housing bracket, whatever, for a Ponsse. And it's a 4 o'clock, half after 4, and I'll have it painted and out the door for him to come pick up tonight on a Friday night. Anyways, hope you enjoy this stuff. I'm going to try to make some more. Okay? Hasta lumbago, and you have a great day. No matter what happens to you, you're okay. Later.